Hey guys, this is a little departure from my normal video where I'm fixing something or building something. I guess you could say I'm building something. Today I'm making some Musubi or Musubi, however you choose to say it. A good friend of mine in Hawaii, he's a local there, Wayland. He turned me on to this a couple years ago. One time I was out there working. Of course, he also turned me on to one time some blood beef, which sent me to the ER with a parasite, but that's a story for another day. But musubi is a Japanese/Hawaiian dish, snack I really call it. It's seaweed, rice, and Spam, and almost every little mom and pop store, convenience store, whatever in Hawaii sells them as a breakfast snack. So I'm going to show you how to make it just like Wayland showed me. And I put a little twist on it. Some people are turned off by the seaweed, so I'm making one with a tortilla wrap instead of the seaweed wrap. We'll see how that turns out. First of all, you got to have regular Spam. Not a big deal. You buy it in a can. You fry it up. You slice it up to where it's the size of the can. You need rice, obviously. And you need some toasted seaweed. You can get this at any Asian market, any grocery store in the Asian section. It's just toasted seaweed. And I use a Musubi mold. You can use the can of Spam if you cut both top and bottom of the can out and use it. But you can get these molds either in an Asian market, or I got this from Amazon. I think it was like $3. So that's not a bad deal. First thing you do is you lay out a piece of, I call it saran wrap, but plastic wrap down, and you take your seaweed and you fold it in half, and you dip it in some water, and you lay it on your plastic wrap. Set your musubi mold down. Take your rice, and you spoon in some rice in there. And you dip your musubi mold squisher down in the water. And you squish that down. It's about a third full. And you take a slice of your Spam, you put it in there. And you put some more rice on top of that. And again, you squish that down. And you take and you lift the mold off. And you wrap the seaweed. Around your rice, and then you take your plastic wrap, wrap the whole thing up, fold the ends over, you pop it in the refrigerator, and it makes a nice breakfast snack. We'll do another one with the tortilla wrap, and take my plastic wrap down here. Well, we'll get another one that's too clingy for me. I'm going to dip my tortilla wrap in the water as well. Put my mold down. The rice in. Smash that down good and tight. Put another piece of Spam in there. Some people also put egg in here. You know, you can scramble up an egg and put it in there, squish it down. I've seen people put onions, bacon, pretty much do anything you want in here. Sure it's squished good and tight. And we'll wrap this guy up. And again, wrap him up with the plastic wrap. And it kind of makes like a, I guess you call it a burrito. But anyway, try it sometime. A lot of people are turned off by Spam, but I grew up with it. I like it. So anyway, see you around.